Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha. Thank you for joining and actively participating on annual PDO Process Safety Day. This is a key engagement opportunity for an open dialogue between leaders, staff and contractors to reflect back and discuss how we can stay in control of our risks and improve our asset integrity process safety performance. We work in a hazardous industry, the exploration and production of oil and gas, where serious process safety incidents are frequent. In some cases, these incidents have resulted in widespread catastrophic effects, such as multiple injuries, fatalities, asset damage, adverse environmental and reputational impacts, and ongoing litigations. Process safety incidents are rarely caused by a single catastrophic failure. They usually happen due to multiple coinciding events, best illustrated by the Swiss cheese model, which describes the cumulative result of multiple events developing over a long period. You have probably heard the phrase, "That was a disaster waiting to happen." Usually, it is true. A review of significant incidents in the industry suggests that most, if not all incidents, were preceded by warning signs. Some of these signs were clearly visible, but not acted upon because their significance was not understood. Let us take the largest environment disaster in the history of the petroleum industry as an example. In April 2010, the oil drilling rig Deepwater Horizon, operating in the Gulf of Mexico, exploded and sank, resulting in the death of 11 workers and approximately 5 million barrels of oil being spilled into the sea. As of 2018, the cleanup costs, charges and penalties incurred by British Petroleum were more than $65 billion. The company has admitted that there were multiple warning signs that could have prevented this disaster, such as issues with the cement job, misinterpretation of negative pressure test results, disabled alarms and other human factors which were never recognized or acted upon. Accumulation of water behind a dam is another example that illustrates how catastrophic incidents occur. As the water level reaches the top, the hydraulic head approaches the limits of the dam's design and construction specifications. Any small leaks encountered during the filling operation signal the need to discontinue adding more water or to make immediate repairs. If failure occurs at the water's high level, the results are often catastrophic. In a similar way, a leak from a pipeline usually starts small, such as with a seep. This may be neglected, thinking that there is still time before the leak deteriorates, or because the procedure is not clear on what needs to be done for small leaks, or we wish to minimize the downtime of our assets. A small leak can turn to be a big spill with wide-ranging impacts. By its very nature, oil and gas exploration and production presents dangers, and at PDO, we have suffered a number of major incidents in recent years. For example, December 2019, Mina Alpha Hull Tank 107 sunken floating roof. January 2019, Marmel Water Treatment Plant backwash tank explosion. February 2018, Fahoud Knox flare liquid carryover incident. December 2016, Bahaja vessel explosion and fire. During every incident investigation, it was established that there were several opportunities where the incidents could have been prevented by breaking up the chain of events that led to the final consequence. There were also warning signs or indicators that something was wrong or about to go wrong. If these signs were recognized and acted upon, then we could have had different outcomes. If we want to avoid incidents, we need to make an effort to pinpoint their origins and take action on any warning sign to fix what is wrong. Some of the actions can be taken shortly before the incident is about to occur, others a long time before that. Management system deficiencies or system weaknesses are a root cause in all the investigations. These are like slow-burning embers at the base of a small fire. As the timbers ignite, the fire spreads rapidly, making it far more difficult to control. Examples of the systemic issues identified can be process safety leadership, where management sets the wrong priorities; risk management, lack of hazard review to predict and prevent incidents; critical procedures that are missing or incomplete; timely closure of outstanding actions from safety studies, incident investigations, audits, etc. Failure to implement effective mechanical integrity programs. People and competence. Our goal should be to identify common management system deficiencies and their associated early warning signs and fix them. In the next exercise, we use case studies to illustrate these management systems related warning signs to help you make the connection to your own facilities.